me and Callum have been moving this desk and this bed and what else do we move? Something. Oh, that wardrobe.
And stuff under there.
And stuff under
That's not
there. Into
important
here, but
right
that's not important right now. What we found is the corner of this desk has been cut out in an obvious shape. Right? And then we're like, who would cut that out? Oh yeah, students. And now we've just realised that probably is there to fit over this.
All of those shadow puppet things, where just loads of objects just combine to make a shadow on the wall that just looks like a man wanking. Am I the only one who's seen this?
I don't want to know you anymore.